Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee donuts at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need active dry yeast, warm milk, and all-purpose flour to start. Begin by activating the yeast with warm milk and a small amount of sugar. Then combine this with flour, eggs, sugar, and softened butter. Knead the mixture until it forms a smooth, elastic dough. Finally, let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size, which usually takes about 1 hour. This easy first step sets the foundation for delicious donuts. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a round cutter to create your donut shapes. Next, heat your frying oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry each donut for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are a lovely golden brown. While they cool, prepare a luscious vanilla bean custard. Once completely cool, use a piping bag to generously fill each donut with the creamy, sweet custard. This step adds the delightful surprise inside. Now for the signature creme brulee finish. Take your filled donuts and sprinkle a generous, even layer of granulated sugar over the top of each one. The key here is an even coating. Next, grab your kitchen torch and carefully caramelize the sugar. Move the flame steadily until the sugar melts, bubbles, and turns into a beautiful, hard, glassy crust. Be careful not to burn it. A golden brown color is perfect. Let the caramelized sugar cool and harden completely for a satisfying crack when you bite in. Your homemade creme brulee donuts are now ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best experience, serve them immediately while the caramelized top is perfectly crisp. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. Remember, for that ideal crunch, it is always best to caramelize the sugar right before serving. Feel free to get creative with your custard too. A hint of coffee or chocolate can be a wonderful variation. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.